Burn it down to the ground. If it's the first time you watch the channel, please do subscribe. It's very important. We're trying to reach somewhere, you know. Take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? Yeah man, glory be to the Most High. Watch a movie, man. There's something nice to learn. You know what I mean? As we go along. Let's go. General, what we have there?
Because we have fried chicken, corn food, and sliced fish.
Alright. Get more for large chicken then.
Large chicken.
Yeah. Breast and something, you know?
Alright, thank you.
A medium rib and wing.
Okay.
With coffee ready, please. Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah, pizza.
That's a good day.
Hi, hey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
No sauce.
First thing I see right here.
Right.
I'm going around town. Just trying to find my way around.
Well, I come from here, you know. So when I time them to one tour guide, I can take you around the place and make a see what I want, man.
I really love
But you
that.
find the best cook shop, yeah. So for you find this, yeah, and then you find the best man too. You know what I mean? So things can go on, man. What's your name? I'm gonna get the name though.
I'm chosen with 3 N's.
Chosen with 3 N.
And you are
Fire.
pleasure meeting you.
With
With a lot of ease, huh?
no, with no E. No. With fire. With a lot of fiery.
Nice to meet you. You make me
With a lot of wood.
shy.
No shy, man. Some people call me firewood. I can't call me
In
firewood,
it?
yes.
I think I'll stick with fire.
And a stick of wood.
Oh my god.
You like the sound when I make a while ago, or the sound they make when they get the fire. Oh my god.
Here we go.
We're full of vibes though.
Thank you.
So nothing to ring for your finger though.
I'm not married. I'm free, single, and disengaged.
A good time for your friends single and disengage. Because we can engage in something worthwhile, you know. But anyway, forget the food them and then maybe we can carry over the beach. But can you go to the beach yet?
No, I haven't been.
Yeah, I can take you over there. Sit down for a piece of wood by the breeze blow on it. And everything the food.
Okay.
Never can tell like you know.
No.
So where's from originally though?
I'm from Kingston.
Kingston City. Bad place.
No.
The last time my cousin have a girl from Kingston, you know. When she a go back, she would all like money. And he can't go for money because of the bad man that town.
I'm not a robber. No, not a thief. Good people do come from Kingston too.
Yeah, well, I'm not saying nothing, you know. Good and bad come from everywhere. You know what I mean?
True, I
So,
agree.
you know, so pretty high and sitting on everything, so you know, it's a danger. But I'll take a chance, it's still
All love over here.
be love, be love,
Pure love.
good love.
Good love.
We're going to see.
Are we almost there?
With the
Okay.
no rush, man. Take a time here. We're going to reach with the data. Enjoy the company still, so keep not rush, man.
Okay, Mr. Fire.
So you work on it? Yeah. You like it, put the wood on it. You go work. Alright. Look at the food, man, then drive or what?
No, I was going to use a cab, but since you drive.
The drive, man. We can't carry, you know, you go drop you off here.
Okay, so.
So we order 2 food, and we order 2 food back.
Oh, one for me and one for my son.
Oh, you have a son. Alright.
I got pregnant real early, so we're gonna look like the same age group, but yeah,
Why you get pregnant?
at 9 years old.
Let me see never there around,
Yeah,
man.
no, it was like, you know, those darling house something, sometimes for the story to end. Yeah.
So you're playing Daddy House, but when you play Daddy House, you're not putting in that's all crime.
No,
Things do happen when you're kids. I was 9, he was 13, and yeah, I didn't find out I was pregnant until way after. Thank you.
Alright. Where now?
Well, it'd be nice for us to go by the beach, as you mentioned.
So, what about your son? Your son not hungry? Talking about your son, where's your son food there?
Oh my God, see, you got me nervous. That's what I'm talking about.
No, yourself, man. Now go.
Thank you.
Alright. Your son food. Alright. So we can drop you in the yard, you get your son in food, and then we go to the beach.
Okay, sounds like a great plan because I'm really, really, really hot.
Like today I'm a lucky day.
It definitely is.
I tell you. Let's go.
Okay, remember to put on your seatbelt now.
No, when I get to when I put on seatbelt, man. I'm running nice. But when you go up on the main, you put on it. Alright?
Okay. Sunny Sun. Mommy got you something to eat. There you go. You guys, your favorite.
For mommy,
Yeah.
you know, come here and yeah, because I say you don't want to in I'm place. You don't want to go back to country.
Don't worry yourself, my baby. I met a seemingly nice gentleman today. And we're gonna go out and see how it works out. So don't worry yourself, my son. Alright?
So
Everything's
I have
gonna
a
be
good friend.
fine. Hopefully very soon. Mommy's working on it.
Okay. Yeah, alright.
I'm gonna just eat up. Mommy have to rush out though. Mommy gonna get ready and go
Alright.
out. So take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Love you, son.
Am I drinks?
Yes, baby, that's yours. Mommy had something to drink already.
Alright.
Number 2. Very beautiful.
Oh, very, very beautiful.
Not like that one. This is what you guys come and say. I'm going to never go. I'm not going to be in the jumbo. Alright. Go get ready. Go walk in that car. Let's go for the beach. Ready? Go on.
Contract the man to put all his time and shut up the man to pay for that.
Oh, you take a day to the bar. Alright, tell him say, yo, me check him in the evening, man. Me have spend some time with my man because chef got work tomorrow. So we just make it a point and we do it to spend some time with that day. So tell him say me check him by the evening. Alright?
So you alright?
Good, man.
Okay, see you soon. You'll be home in a while.
Larry?
Yes, babe. I'm okay.
Oh, yeah, that's right now.
As usual. How's your day today?
What do you know? How was yours?
Could have been better with you here, but I understand you gotta go and work for us and our future to come.
Yes.
Thank you. I miss you so much. Oh. I missed you.
Miss you more.
Let's talk. Let's get into some things.
So what you did today?
Washed a few stuff. I'm still in cleaning mode. Tell me about your day. I'm more interested about your day.
My day is not a day like that, you know. My day is work. So like me have a contract with some people so I try done up, you know what I mean? So I think I took on too much work one time. And since the day from one night, I'm gonna work. I'll just sleep today. You work me out too much in the night.
I understand, baby, but you know you gotta work, okay?
Yeah, but it work good though. It's fun, so it's good. So me have to go start buy up some juice. You know, so I can blend up some juice. You know, I know more manage it. When I start got work still, because like you soon start work. It go good.
Yeah, because we could both work better as a team.
Yeah, so you retired some of my time too. I'm retired. So.
Naturally.
Yeah, so some of my time when we well rest, you're tired, I'm still take advantage of you. Alright, so me I sweat the place hot though, I tell her.
Want to turn on the fan, babe?
Alright, well, I'm going to get a bathe and all though. I'm just going forward. Go outside, go cool out and go bathe and then.
And come tell me more about your day today.
Yeah, well, we just find something doing at night, yeah.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So you find your son, you call your son today?
Yeah, I called him.
So you're alright though, because you know, so you can't take the cow and if you can't, so I just know what I'm saying good. I'm good though.
No, not exactly. You know, ever since I told you the situation with me and my child's father, it's been really me and my mom. And I've been spending a lot of time with you, but sometimes I really, really miss him because he's always around me, so.
Oh, what may I say no? Come here, consider it today, no? Come here and say, yo, you're there here, good night, and your son must have. So, you know, like me take your mother from him, so.
Yeah, because he's very protective of his mom.
It's the back room on there, you can get back room to go and live. You know, because I think about something serious with me.
Really?
Yeah, man. You can come over.
So nice of you, really?
Yeah, man, just call him over, man, and tell him, say, we forward over
But that way our family could collide and we could have one big happy family and we could work together, raise our children together. And I think you love him because he loves some of the sports that you love.
Well, like how you have one son and me have one son, and work on one daughter.
Okay, when the time is right, we'll get there. We have to work on a strong foundation first.
Alright, so we have a things to do.
We have a long way to go.
Alright.
Go get yourself a shower and I'm gonna prepare your dinner.
Alright, do that.
Alright, baby, love you. Mwah.
Alright.
Oopsie daisy. The phone is ringing for you. There you are. Hello?
Hello. I'm calling from the hospital. I saw your resume and we're really short and staff right now, so I would like you to come in. So, when would you be available?
I'll be available as soon as possible.
Okay. Can you come in tomorrow?
Most definitely. I'm so happy right now. Thank you so much. I'll be there right on time. You said 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock is fine?
Yes, 9 o'clock.
Okay, alrighty.
Or
Thank you so
9:30.
much. Okay, I'll definitely be on time. Thank you.
Okay.
I got a job. Oh my god, I have to call my son. Oh wow. Good news. My son. Baby, I have good news. First off, mommy got a job. And also, you're going to be able to move in with me. Yes, you're going to be able, and you're going to have your own room. Everything, hot water, everything. Your own room, your own TV, internet, everything. Okay, so here's what. Tomorrow, I'm going to send my fiance to pick you up in the bus park after school, and then we could go from there. I have so much more details to tell you. Alrighty? Love you so much, son. I can't wait to see you. Love you, baby. We'll talk soon. Love you. I'm so excited. It's a good news. Fire! There you are, babe. I was just about to come call you.
There's a whole lot for gonna show me everything.
He can't even wait until they sit down. No, sit down, babe. Sit down.
You will not know.
That would be so nice, right? Hey, guess what? One guess. You only get one guess. Guess what? Okay, I got a job. No, babe, I got a job.
Oh, don't call you.
You're gonna try to apply for the nursing job.
Oh,
Yes, I got it.
so you work hard, team.
Your night nurse and the day nurse. Nurse.
You work hard, team, so it's alright.
You happy, baby? Oh, thank God. People follow me applying, people then just call me.
Alright.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to get fresh water and do it, you know?
So happy.
Alright.
I'm squeezing you. Babe, look how I'm skinny now.
Oh, you put on weight, you know what you eat.
I strong dumpling, the beginning give me any and them some steamed fish.
Alright, so we're gonna be there now.
For real.
Yeah, I'm gonna be afraid.
Alright, baby.
Alright. Happy news though, good.
Yeah, I'm so glad. I'm so happy.
Alright. Some man from see, I got work too, I got work too, so see the shop in that man up on work.
Oh, the one with the face on. Look at teeny.
That was done.
Oh, that was amazing. Yeah. I have to go to work now though. I'm gonna be having a long ass day.
On your first day, now we're going to too tired still, so. Right. About 5 o'clock now, 6 o'clock, so what time is it come around?
Oh, I gotta be there for 9.
But you look like I'm going to take a 10 off already.
You know, I'm scared already. Okay.
Then it's a rain going to fall, you know, so. You deserve it, let me say.
Oh, now you make my rain fall already though.
Alright.
Hey.
Fit your woman.
No, thank you. Look at your nursey.
Alright, so.
I'm getting to work now. Give me a hug.
Alright.
I love you.
I love you too.
You're not going to work today?
Yeah, I forgot on the road shortly, but me have my passport me a call, the pan call. So, which building can I bridge in though? Then go carry, then go to the so. But I'll leave more so, I'm with fire. One taxi.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go then. You want to wait fire now, because we don't have to the 7 time.
Alright, I'll call you in between today when I get the chance.
Alright, so wait some food now.
I'm going to pick up my son, baby. Now at the IT school where I go, I'm going to pick him up and carry him up because I already tell him say I can pick him up after we finish school.
Alright, yeah man, that's good man. So I'm going to match up some things, and I'm not do much work today, but I'm going to look to finish up. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. But talk to no Dr. Boy down there, no.
None.
I know, patient.
None. That is it, baby.
Alright, yes, I love you.
Alright, baby. Good morning, Raj. Good morning. How are you doing this morning? Have a quick chat with you before I go to work. I got a new job and I'm going off to work. But also I have a good nurse.
That means I'm speaking out together.
Yes.
That sounds too bad.
Yes. And also my son will be coming here today, so you'll have company.
The son?
Yes, my son. I don't want y'all to live good. No. My son.
In Black Lightning?
No, but we could pass for brothers. Yeah, but I want y'all to live good.
Yeah, we are a good man, but I true, I really love man, you know. But you, as since as a brother,
As your brother. As your
sure.
brother, I want y'all to live good. Your dad and I. No. And your dad and I have been a really good relationship, so we're one unit now. Yes. So we're one unit now. I just want all y'all to live good. When I get my first paycheck, I normally give my son, you know, I'm not going to change whatever I want to do. Then I can get something said away because...
So you know, go Batman me can't take the money.
No, he's not going to do that.
I true know that's why Batman.
No, we're one happy family and that's what we're working towards, alright? So I'm going to head off now. Have yourself a good day. You'll see him sometime today because your dad's going to pick him up. Alrighty? Take care.
Raja. What go on? I know everything by you. There man. I just lucky in someone. Let's say check in my youth. I'm gonna go kick 2 ball and yo?
Father get one girlfriend and girlfriend have one son. Richard, you want stepsister, I guess. I'm not love man.
You're right. Yo, between me and I tell you, say me and my sister little. All from primary school go to high school. Me and her not top play dolly house. But actually I'm bigger now of him man.
Nobody come on that.
Yeah, but me I say, if my stepsister. Actually I'm bigger now of him man. Me just love him out you.
You're not my stepsister can carry him.
No man, right now more of no one like a shark. But you have him man not stop watching.
Oh.
I'll see this a call me. Hold on. Hello? Oh, go on, stepsister. Yeah, man, me so come get a check up a yard there. They are raising my version. Me so forward. Alright. I tell me saying cook some dinner and he left for me up there. You rate me said yesterday but what you deal with that? We touch about and we'll come on for this.
You can't do that because I'm not telling no man, you know. You go up and you go play 2 ball.
I say a girl them will love you know, I don't love man you know. Isn't it?
But as me said before, much I do want step sister me get. So me can, you know. But man, no man not to work along, no like man.
So can I get to a woman put in a house then man? Yo, shit, yo, should I stop calling me? Yo, we link, I don't know when you have a special for me. We link.
Yeah, man, so now, I have some good things that are up and down, is it? From the farming, buy milk car there, I barely can buy tire feed, but we are surviving. Have food, everything I have to buy. So you're there now, the feel say, I'm going to clear down piece of land for you when I get them. Because you don't say I look at painting, I look at tree on the place. You know what I mean? You want to go back, I want to send you back to school. Which one you want?
I try the farming thing, you know, because I'm just from school, you don't go back there, you know.
You don't go back to school?
So I don't time to go back there.
Alright, so we got so I go and give 6 land for you, you got to do some farming too. You know what I mean? We have a virgin so you have some local work in one, you have to start out in the meantime still. So in them time they go and do that. Anyway, now come touch the road. We have a surprise. It's not a big surprise, but you know say me a man, right? I make my own decision, I'm my son, and you know, I'm not grow soft. Certain things I don't know if to talk to you about, but the lady with the here, she have a son. You know what I mean? So our son, I will come and come stay. That's yes, we have to travel back room, right? So him have a room. No man, he's staying and I want to stay. Nothing matter there. You understand? I'm going to be a stepfather. I'm going to be a step brother.
I don't really like step brother thing, you know. You could look at a woman like that. Not really in a man thing, you know.
Listen me now. Me never they look somebody for your benefit, you know. But I understand that. Even if that was the case, would I look my dad and say, would I see her and ask her, say, me have a daughter? And then she'll tell me, and if she says, no, she'll have a son, I feel later. I look for a woman with a daughter. I never they look woman for that the purpose. I look for a woman for myself. You want a woman, see the road there, right? You know, but looking, you favor me. You go out there, you use your words. No, but I use money because you know none. I mean, I make a take my little money when I work so hard. But mine, them boy gal. Because them boy, they will make your mind and want for them, you know. You know what I mean, though? So, if you look money make yourself, you feel don't you want to do it. You only buy food, yeah? You don't pay light bill, you don't pay nothing at all. You live here for free. And how much now? How much now?
So 16.
So 16. Which are 16 long time. Which are turn 18 already and gonna pay one. But anyway, you're there. Yeah, my son. You will carry the legacy. That's why I want to get a piece of the farm. Which have a different business though. But that's how you go. Things don't work out like how we plan it so many time, boy. You say me I go to school, but this time I want to fly plane. Right? And you know work out for me at ABCD. So you know, we just go to farming then. But at first you have the ambition to say you want to do it, but you know, put in the work feet. That's how you go. So to know, but it's a cut long story short, make you know what say. When his son come here, treat him like a brother, but you never have. Because you're the one picking for me, said, is it? So that picking with the road, then I get my name in, so I can't even count them yet. You understand? So when if them come on the list, it goes up. But for now, I you. So when you would come here, you treat them like how you treat your brother. Right? Because I want to go brother for real. So I got to pick him up. What do you have to do to life forward?
Daddy, I want juice for the road for me when I come back.
What is that?
Juice.
Listen here, now. We not spoil it, but you want now. Sugar I did there. So lime tree over there, so go pick 2 lime and make some lemonade. Yo, make enough, come on, someone forward back.
Too much sweet, no good, you know. I'm not really like lime, too sour.
Yo, you know what kind of color them put on them juice down there, where color them come from? You know what I mix up a big chemical that you go and go get some natural lime off of the tree. And make some beverage, we can get some to put in the fridge. Yo, I'll give you money now and put in your pocket, you know. You understand? So when I tell you I'm more wise. When I tell you to do something, just do it.
Alright, man, I pick.
Make some lemonade.
I pick 2
You
lime.
drink some, me drink some. Yeah. Yeah, man. My mother live in my front room. There's a room on my back. Yeah, and your brother, your step brother, one there. Bad boy, come in, man. Raja. Oh, yeah. Come on. This is your water.
I'm talking
Yeah, man.
You good, man, you good.
Yeah. Alright, so welcome to the place, man. Welcome to Nigel. I'm going back country there. No mango, no mango or nothing over country. Comes a mango.
when too much worm. They kept piece of cane but me tip anyway.
Yeah, we don't like cane. Don't have to when I cane like so. Alright. You want to come go and we'll laugh even now. Even show you on the place, because I film here.
Show me about the room.
Yeah, show you part of the room there. Alright, so the man is a computer man, so you can't teach nothing about computer. Go through. Now I'm going to go and we'll rest up. Now pick up on the road, come so I'm going to pick up the mother now. Here? Alright, go on.
Alright, so. Fear rooms. You know my name already.
Yeah, man.
Name father call me. So
The bathroom in there.
everything in there. So anything you want, you just call my father or call your mother.
Oh no, I'm cook already. I'm the long journey.
Man, you gonna have kill by your way?
No, may I ask if you cook? Say that's me can come run for dinner.
Look at me.
When you go from mother and come back, you call.
You asking.
Yeah.
Remember, no call me, call them. I'm on true.
Like when I plan some girl mission or something. That one is about.
Oh, never
Alright, I'm not so no matter comment, you know, because shoot something wrong with the car, they have to go and drive and pick her up. Some of the regulator, but someone fix it though. Tomorrow I carry her. Yes, she's so far with herself. Send someone to pick her up. She don't live long enough.
Good evening.
You good?
Yes, and I have good news. I can't even wait to sit down with them good news.
Alright.
Okay, good evening. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Okay, so
So for you, tell the good news.
they were too excited. Okay. So the job that I'm working now, less than a month. Guys, I get a new link from that job from one of the patients there. This old lady, she really liked me and the way how I deal with the patients and stuff like that. So she hooked me up on a link and I'm gonna work overseas.
So
You can't hear that?
So
Huh?
what work over there?
I'm gonna go on my own to make sure things get better for all of us, babe. For work here in the States, babe. United States of America. Huh? You probably need a month for paperwork processing and stuff like that.
A big opportunity this way.
but it's for the best.
Yeah, man. I love
That don't sound bad.
That no so bad.
Yes, I mean, make sure some work, send back, make sure some send back money, make sure everybody alright, and you know the father work, this and the father, and the father.
Laptop.
Laptop?
No laptop.
Tablet.
That one ain't good, man.
Okay, so it's for the best, but my main objective, why everybody be happy and live good while I'm not here.
Yeah.
It's gonna be for the betterment of all of us. Right, babe?
Yeah, it's good.
I think this is the time where we go celebrate.
You can't say that in front of them.
Fine. We're gonna talk further about.
No, we're not. We're not celebrating them.
Yeah, we celebrate that.
No.
Oh, no.
Stop it.
Celebrate.
See? See, I Baltimore man succeed you. Taste me, I taste you.
What's up? What you want to do?
Oh, never became an island.
Yeah, the instructor that was there, he said like when you sit down, you get like what 7 or 5 years of good luck. So yes, I did just one.
I get no.
Luck, you know, bad so. I would love that experience though. I probably go there on a trip on a family trip with the boys. That would be fun, don't you think?
Yeah, when money I make though.
Okay.
I know you look at money we make and no can't do that, you know.
We'll get there. We'll work towards it too. So you okay?
Yeah, man. You just been busy for your star work, you know.
That's why we're having some personal time though. Yeah, we're having family time. I didn't care. We do it farm.
Yeah. God bless you, you know.
I'm so happy we started this journey. It's just beautiful and it gets better and better.
Yeah, man. Kayati is one new style, you know. Yeah, man.
Yes, and you've been teaching me a lot too, my team.
Boy, I think it's still like that, man. You follow your mother for my Sunday.
They're going to feel me at the one temple.
We love the water.
You're good though.
Yeah, I want things to
Mommy, that.
You have money?
Yes. Remember, the merch I have. Hold on a second. Alright, so we can have this. Okay. And then just cut it out.
Alright.
Have fun now.
Yeah, man. Enjoy yourself, boy. See if I get a white yard.
That's fun.
Yeah, man. You can get a white one, man. You don't know. I get a black one. Get anything you want to get. Long as you get a woman.
Whichever way in Bora.
Yeah, man. Long as you get a woman.
Yes.
So we'll do later.
I don't know whatever you want to do, you leave.
After beach, you know, some really think so we'll be cooking or so. We can go later for dinner.
It sounds like a plan. I'm down. Okay, honey. I think we should go in the water.
Wait first, chill out for a while, man. I like an answer to school, you know. I'm talking about relax.
If you wanna
No. No money. More money. No, actually, me cook. Let go me sweet like them. More money. So we are going to pillar for more money for do me nails and me hair. Look at me here.
More money. Yes, you better give me money. You now go work.
Look at them.
What?
My stepbrother have a laptop over there, I can go TV and say, TV, sell and get money come give. Oh, that's so.
Oh, that's so. So where you got tea for?
Money you get.
Me know some money, so where you got tea for stepbrother?
Come not like him. I don't love man.
You don't like him, I got tea for
Yes, I
son?
don't love man. More than that, play field. I want the money, yes, I know.
More at the money, yes, but I around things I do, brother.
I'm not doing big deal. Just TV, sell it, get money come.
What I'm gonna do where I feel like for doing long as me get money.
I say, I say, I got thief.
Me I say no fi go thief, now you say I want go thief.
But I tell me if you want to go thief.
Me say go and go do what you feel like fi do, long as me I get money.
Oh, so you tell me
Alright.
if you get money. I got thief instead. Ah, nice. Laptop in a 3D push. My thief, you think we can get one $10 or $20.
We shall catch you.
Come on, baby, because you know we fly right now. You have to reach at the place 2 hours before.
Yeah, I have to check in.
Yeah, man.
I miss you all so much.
And you reach it already?
Yes, time fly fast. Make sure it's all live good. My mother always say that, right? If you're gonna be both of friends here, US and the
Let me get my laptop first.
and the top.
No, what do you mean first?
Come on.
No, I'm gonna get everything just
Babe, come on.
Alright, yeah, I don't want
Fly go late. Nobody idea, you know.
No, man.
You will lock up the door. Right? If you not
You can't be tired of my bike.
no, if you not want to girl come here, you get blue with your girl, you can go with your girl. No, front girl line is nice in the setting.
No.
We don't want the setting smell and nothing.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Vamos a llamar.
Oh yeah. Me get up. Me drop asleep. Let my laptop right there, so I'm get up and see.
Yeah, let's pass the laptop to the man. Your brother, let go. Really, that's all. Let me say it right.
Me drop my laptop there right there, so I know when I did it.
I have the grill up now. But tell them to keep the place door up
I
now
know me.
and the grill up now.
Me get my phone. I'm calling, because I don't know how this possible.
So why you asleep? You asleep.
I just there all around carry in there for
Yo. When I was
Roger. Yeah, you know, see my laptop when I left on the table. I mean you left my laptop. You got 3 grill and not even lock your grill back. Alright. I'm saying no more where they can.
Yo, the worst one over there, the rest me are holding up.
So me I'll get back my laptop.
when he come with Danny talk about it, because me ask him, because you must know if nobody come and come check for him, because he's
If they just asleep, who could have come take my laptop?
Listen to me. Me just asleep and then if you walk front and back. People do walk through the yard because it's a lane where they walk through the yard now and then. Just I tell them to keep the door locked at all time. Don't sleep with nothing. Just not sleep, that's all. Go in your room, go lock up and sleep. Me tell you how much time, enough time I see you today.
I work, I'm just doing a little bit.
Anyway,
Alright,
we'll figure that out. Come on.
Alright. I think I found myself conscious that
yo. You sure say now you take me things, brother?
Brother, I'm not doing
You sure?
things for you.
Because I'm drop a fleet, yes, so who could have come in our house, go and take up my laptop? Mine, you take me things and go sell me things and sell it to who?
Look at me.
Or you thief me
You see,
laptop?
me and money searching.
Search, me no understand research, me ask you.
Me not no money for you, brother. Me not no laptop for you. Me not take nothing for you. Nothing not take for you. So me a trouble things for you.
Because I'm there right as
Yeah,
I
I don't
sleep,
like
you
that
have the
much.
grill open. Like I
So
said,
no
I
more-
set
no more
up
sweat-
people
no more
to
sweat
take the
coming
laptop. I set up
No more
people.
somebody come in there. I'm also half somebody come in. Look at me a trouble on feeling my youth.
Because as me wake up, so you come back.
So what you trying to say? What you trying to say?
And you take my laptop, but that me a
Is it
try to
trouble
say,
if
it's
you want-
easy. If me never
Is it-
find out, say you take my
Never
laptop.
find out say what? Never find out say
Yo,
what?
yo,
You never find out say how you want to
yo, come find up in my case. And you know what you are doing,
Yo.
you know what you are doing.
Better forget here.
Because now I want
Yeah,
you
yeah.
to play. You see my laptop,
Yeah.
and my laptop, me
Yeah,
work
yeah.
every day. Every day me work with my laptop.
Look at
and
you,
so
that
you
you
come
come and go and
back.
so
You see,
look
if
at you,
you
laptop.
take my laptop, brother, you not gonna like it. Remember, say me tell her that if I you take my
So call back
laptop.
there. So call back. Oh no, close. Go down now.
I him take my laptop.
You see me laptop.
Oh,
This one you take up it.
who you would have left a grill up in? He normally lock up a grill when he man go. Oh no,
I worry me, Dina.
No, I'm not left to grill up. But me say still. Me not swing in TV. And you not swing in TV. But if I'm TV, we go know. Right?
you have to, alright.
So we know.
I say nothing.
We know. But nobody cussing.
You left the grill up in now, my laptop missing. My laptop alone missing. And my phone there, so. Up there, so. And my laptop alone
Put the phone
missing.
in there.
Up there, so.
But you put the laptop also too because there's a fire but yesterday right anybody can see the door open and the grill open. I don't know with TV but anybody can see it. I see you sleep. But anyway, we not worry about that, we go find out how. But yeah, listen me, I'm here on the street man. We go find it. Where laptop stay? They have picture of laptop.
Laptop, yeah.
They have picture of laptop?
Yeah.
Alright, send it to my phone, the picture of the laptop. I'm going to send it to in the street. They will tell me if they see the same. You know what I'm going man. Because when they teeth me walk out, I find out how it is. Long time, but we know everything will go on. Alright? So I don't have to cussing man. And I accuse nobody until I see them directly. You know what I mean? Because that's one dangerous thing.
But me, I see you.
You should enough sleep, don't put the things in your sleep. Lock the grill in your sleep. No matter if nobody there, lock it. Alright? So anyway, my mother may talk on the phone, you know. And she may talk to so if hang up, then I'm gonna call her back and I'm gonna go and reach. So no. Chill out after that now. When you go hold the rest, go on the bed, tomorrow's a different day. Night you know, we can't take nice. The neighbor then you now comes like a hog and dog. You hear me? So you go to your room, you go off your room, you go hold some rest up. You know what I'm saying?
Boy. Get a guy here.
Alright. After Tony, you know, when the mother gone for about 2 weeks now, you know what I mean? And I realize, say, dirty plate in the kitchen, clothes dusting all over the place.
Yeah, the lazy boy.
Yeah, wait now, we don't talk. We don't talk. So me I say now, me want to know say, I nah babysit no man, I'm not big enough man, you know. So you have to clean up after yourself, right? Me no want no one that do no uncall for dirtiness in the place, man. Right? So cut that out. Alright, so we're gonna go on now. You can carry girl come here. Yeah man, you can carry girl come here. Me no see no girl, me no know. You put your your girl there.
Girl, you can check one day and gone, but
Yeah, but you need to carry her come and see her and know her. You hear me? We need to know your girl.
You know the girl that people girl think I got.
Alright, so everything good though. So we won't allow to carry girl come here. You hear me?
You know if you can a girl,
No, he must carry girls because they are telling one thing, say he must have a woman. And I tell her too, when she run like camp, you have to have a woman too. Alright, so anyway. But clean up the place though. Like all them are things that I don't want to see them on the ground. There?
It's in them biscuit there.
You talk to me like you're a girl. Hear me? You don't eat already, not so?
yeah, I'm something that earlier.
I know eat.
Alright. Well, the food down in the kitchen, I don't look about it. And eat it because I don't feel it down, I don't cook it down, I'm not big enough to it, and I'm learning now. Girl, but when the mother there, the mother that cook food, no, but
Your mother different.
me, the mother cooker. I don't cook her.
Some fish in there, man.
What's your power to you?
Your business. Remember, say, your mother was married to half of the house and some man.
Daddy have said you can't Ingram. I show that this man can't listen. I show you said
Yeah,
you can't
this way.
listen. Yeah, bored man.
Yeah, this way.
Wait, no, wait him step on you and I'll step in back. Watch your flex, I know. Watch your flex, yeah.
Muslims.
Bored man. Watch your style. Yo.
Hi.
I'm gonna look up for friends.
Yeah.
Daddy!
Your friend?
Are you my friend? Daddy!
Who are your friend? Good night.
It's not
No.
what? Babe, stand up right as cross.
So we push me to front.
Daddy!
Yeah, what you mean?
Sure.
Nice to meet you. Me just say you know
No
about.
touch her. No touch her. Bored man. How was it?
We can't touch her, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Don't know you have a big ever deal about.
Where's the boy?
Me ask me more needs my daddy. No. What's the name?
A girl between like
Yes, father. That is my girlfriend.
Hey.
Come meet your father, sit down. Boss it. You're good though.
meet.
Yellow bird man.
Me can't yellow again.
You not be yellow again.
Find perfume on me.
Oh, please,
We
boy.
don't care comment.
If you bring her come to man. So you're good though.
Yeah, I'm okay.
I feel your boyfriend for true. I both think you have to come forth.
Yeah, I'm boyfriend.
Are you boyfriend true?
Yeah.
What mom see then? Alright.
Nah, okay.
You see how me talk.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright,
So
so
where you come from?
well I can't carry back home now. Tell us the man and woman daddy. If you have your own woman.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Alright.
Bye.
Alright, take care of him.
We see you again.
You not see him again.
No see woman. No see woman. We see that girl.
Get one for post too. If you don't have post like number 6, get one. We're back here there.
Me cut me soon call my mom.
Bring her ring to man. Come if you meet them and know what one. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, yeah man. Go on do your thing man.
Alright. Want some receipt?
Yo, what one? Come in man. Watch out. See laptop then, I never left your laptop is up. You see night when I left here, night when you're asleep, I want stacky boy walk to the yard. And
Check it.
check everything there for me. There's some link in the street. I want my dad them tap on a boy, tap on the stocky so. Yeah man, and I saw come you get it back. Everything the funny.
Everything the funny man.
Yeah man, cause yo, so me nigga them a normal nigga you know.
Man.
They are link in the street man.
Respect me, I tell you honest, respect.
Yeah man, that's how you go man, that is it man. Man, throw the clothes man right on the place. Yeah man, see they have a laptop back here now, no problem. You see?
Yeah man, see.
Where you come from the road? You good?
The road not come from.
See laptop the way we're missing. See there, I see a laptop.
Yo, I'm sorry for your accuse them, I tell you the honest truth.
Yeah man, you get it back. Yeah man, our stacky boy, he's a dirty thinking stacky boy thief you out of your house, yeah.
But who stacky take my laptop bro? How they reach in your house?
There's inside the grill, cause we beat him till he talk.
Grill it up.
Inside the grill it up.
But
And the door the open.
grill up in?
So in the seat in the take up here.
But are you like
You don't think I'm feel lucky, man.
You figure feel like you
Alright, that's
Me get a car, me dinner on a house.
that's what I will still. I'm so glad that that's it. Come in there, bad guy.
Here.
Come in
Down
there.
again here.
No, what you said, my son.
Alright.
Yeah man, your mother left me have to take care of me, I take care of you. You know, see I let me down. Why the smile off your face, man? Why the hell you thief the man laptop and go be your girl? She tells you want laptop?
And he really give me one gear and he just want a piece of money to make sure.
So she try to sell it. She try to sell it, you know.
So
By the way, but I'm not talk too long. Because if you say, the more I talk to you, the more I use it for you. Here too fish and here too conk. You know what I mean? Because you not live up. See vehicle they think I bambarate. Work hard for it and get it. Go call your girl. Go for her, come meet me now. I mean if you ever meet me with her.
I'm growing as a whole lot short.
Yeah man, we have to do man.
Alright. Time to forget back.
No worry yourself man. Go on do the right man. This is a feel for cat, she look good.
Alright.
Alright. Holy Charger, no. Alright. Good night. You go outside. We don't need to talk to you. We want to talk to you. Come off, man. Run outside. Hey, go get me a cold Guinness there. No, get me a hot one instead. Yeah. Tell them to give them a money weekend. Amen, say no. You love my son, right? Huh? Mm-hmm. Me know what that means.
Yes.
Yes, you like his teeth too. Amen, say no. You see, when you have a son like mine when I have to work, what kind of work he do? He do something called table work. He work when do and no money the penny. He not chat no line. Man no banger. Right? He not do a 9 to 5. Well, 9 to 5 can't buy a laptop. Tell me tell us something now. You see, if you want money, you need to go get one sugar sassy. One sugar daddy, they call it sugar zazi. Because reason when they call them sugar daddy, so when they bounce pan them with a sugar drop and ground, you can pick up sugar. Sugar is money, right? So you want that day. So when they bounce pan him and sugar drop, you can take some of my sugar, give me some my money, and you want to live happily ever after. But do not pressure him to go and get stuff for you because he don't have it. And him steal things.
Me not pressure him.
No, but him a try to get the best things them. So him a thief, him own a brother laptop. Because sell for give you. Right? Me not make the brother know you know, because brother would have in some argument and that reach back to my woman a foreign, which is fee mother. Right? So me I tell you, get a sugar zazi. Now tell him say me I give that encouragement, you know. Because what him no know, no hurt him. Cause better him lazy. You understand? Him now make no real money, him cannot buy a laptop. So when you get a laptop come back, you should have said no, this is not. I don't want this. You want him or you want money?
So how me go know if I feel laptop or where you get it from?
You could have asked him.
Me ask him himself film laptop.
Because I try to impress you. But you have to assure him and say, I don't want nothing for you. And you get your sugar zazie and give him things. You love him, right?
Yes.
So you get your sugar zazie and give him things then. What do you think about that? You don't mind him?
Yeah, I don't mind him.
So where you go take a mind? You walk?
No, not really.
So how you go really mind him? So you go get a sugar zazie now. You understand? You get your copy? Alright, so that I go on. What does that McCall tell us? Do not tell him say don't get me nothing more. You love him for what him have and what him don't have. Him don't have nothing. So you love, that's love. You love for, you understand? So you not have to love sugar zazie. You just have to love the sugar with Japa fine. So just bounce on him, the sugar Japa ground. You take up the sugar, you take some for yourself, but give me one light, you know. I want to share you, I want to bill on a bill. Alright? Alright, see you later. Have a good night. Alright? You see him on the road? You had him drink the Guinness.
Alright.
Alright. You know, put ice in it and drink it. If you take a last cup of my bill too. You can mix it, Jagger and the last cup. It is so sweet. Oh God. Hold on. Mijo.
I should know.
Oh, you're pushing yours. So come still. More than just asleep, so roll it down go. Woman asleep and everybody else asleep.
But they left no money for me or nothing.
So you were going back, right? I know they're in there, you know. In the behind bars.
No, but me not nobody feel my knee or nothing or give me nothing.
And by the time you can get a sugar zazie, where sugar zazie there? You never get him. Well, let me sorry for you. Anything bad have, you need to go down at the prison cell and make him push to the grave here. Because who advise him? Can I say you, but me more ask you in person. Are you advising for having one mother?
No.
Him say you advise him.
Why mother tell him better than I mother?
Can I say you 200 US and you say you want 2,000 US? And you kiss him and say, me love you. And that make him just transform and come to me, murderer with gun. Shoot all his step brother.
Yeah.
So he knows that I attempted murder. The boy me and clean because I try with the boy. So I'm between me and him now. He rough. Look like his men there and I shoot me too. Just to get the money to come here. So right now any question you have to ask, you have to go ask him. And we plan to sell a house here, so we're not going down here so. Yeah, so I'm going to sell the house and we will go find. If he doesn't do himself. He would have on the plane when never go anywhere at all, but the boy know here. So if a flesh get him in this, flesh have to get him out. So you know nobody take care of it when the police them down there, dash it on them, give them the flesh, then make you go and go chat to him. Alright, so now not more to say to you still. You have to go page him down there. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. That is it. Not too late to get a sugar zazie, so you can appeal the case. What's so much you love him now? Oh love. Come in here.
Oh my God! Come here! I miss you guys so much. Oh my God, that was so. It's been only 6 months, but it felt like forever. But guess what?
I feel like 3 years.
3 years. Yeah, like for one next hug. Oh God, let me see my son. Give me a next hug. I'm a bit tired and jet lag, but we'll catch up later.
Man.
I'll be right with you in a few. Alright?
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you, man, but I'm so tired.
Alright. So, just get to the things that in my bag here. So, I'm going to phone here.
Don't. No, watch it.
Alright, so hold up. I'll roll that errands then. I'll come back. You know, say just come back. I'm tired. You want to spend some time with me. So much clear up and come back right now. Not that long. Alright?
Okay.
Still talk to the boy, them man. Because the boys have been missing me, you know.
I know I miss them so much.
Alright, I move forward.
That's what we met on the set, no? So quick to chat. I have next week a surprise. Yes, I have next week a surprise. Remember I something I tell someone by you? Differently from the laptop. I'm not talk about laptop. A car. Yes, the car. Yes. But you know your brother there. So
No money good drink
no, but you know, so if I buy one car, I may buy the other car too. So guess what? I buy you your car first.
They
but
can buy my
before we even
bicycle
get
and get a car.
no, your brother, it's one half it. You know, because the one in said way. Because my husband to be, and mine said way. But for now, I give one little package
But
change
my bicycle,
father, so
him no huge car elevate.
it's one of their car level. Because it's one of my sons. Alright, but here's what I gotta go on the road. Not feel, but I give you a little something to hold on to for the time being. Buy yourself a drink, buy your girlfriend a drink or whatever you want to do.
Him good,
Same
him
thing
good.
for him. No, it's too greedy, man. Come on, he wants the US.
Man, relax, wants the US.
Yes, alright, this is something for me for now because I have to change more money and so.
Okay.
But can I buy you a car?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do 6 months, then 6 to 9 months more. Come back and buy you one car. So my two sons they have a car. You have a car? Yeah, I'm gonna get the fee, but just go and roll out. Don't worry yourself. May have a little bit extra special gift for it because you roll out. So don't worry yourself. You have a car, you have a car. The two sons they have a car. Alright?
Come on, can I give one more?
No man, come on, there's more where that came from. They must have money, they must work hard. No matter work hard. If you got to snow on something, come on. The poor nights
I'm
or
change the money now.
No, man, I'll change it right now. But don't worry yourself, I'm live cash plus me have to change the money. Don't worry about that. See? Alright, Mr. Fatty.
But yeah, I have some errands to run, so I'm gonna do something for them.
Alrighty.
Next time we gonna take the money from mother, yeah? It's like way that she was there.
Yeah, girl, what happened? Then I just make a country cup on because I have a Monday. Yeah, girl, we are going to White Diamond and we going to get one cabana for we wall our friend them. Yeah, girl. How me go get money for go there? So, girl, my boyfriend stepmother come from foreign. So he must get money and he must get a big money come give me. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Girl, need African money come give me. I mean, so you must get money come give me. Anything when me tell him to do, him I'll do it. If me ask him to go thief, he go do it or come give me. No, girl, me not say my thief, you know, but if me ask him to do something for me, I'll do it. You're still feel man a big scammer? I not believe you. Girl, I not believe you. I have to see that to myself. You go buy a Benz. I want to say that to myself. Alright. If I say so. Yeah, girl, I'm talk till you're tired.
Oh, yes.
Then.
So
So I'm going to bust our finger. We didn't even help me up.
So squeeze. So I don't know.
No, I just don't talk to my friend.
I'm still step my hand when I'm forward. Give me 2 bills. Give me still.
2 bills. We are doing 2 bills. 2 bills can't do nothing, you know?
Yeah.
2 bills can't do nothing.
Thank God for what we get.
Let me tell you this. Your mother fi carry down go 1,000 US if you put in their pocket. They can we are doing 2 bills. 2 bills can't do nothing.
Biological mother innocent me get me have to take it. Me have to be satisfied and grateful for it.
Me know, but that can't do nothing. That can't do nothing, you know?
See, you don't want it.
Before, if me want to go out, how me go out with 2 bills? So you go want money too.
You don't go want the money, girl, man, because I hear me and get money come get.
But B, that can't go out. That can't go out.
I'm not pick up money now, you.
Give me. Me no know where this can do. Where this can do.
What am I telling you, man?
This can do nothing.
I'm telling you, go on to mother. I can't say can't do nothing. That's the food. No, I'm
Oh,
going
go fine.
I go bed.
Go on. Let me not even know what this can do. This can do
I
nothing.
look bed. Make sure you come and get something else.
When me I go take go out with my friend him now? When me I go take go out with him? I'm going to tell him smoke a big money out here.
Sunshine? I've been needing to ask you this question for quite some time now. So me ask me personal business now. I know you're a teenager now, knowing you do your IT thing or whatever, and you get new car, something so you know the girls them staring. Someone know you not have a little girlfriend and so.
So no girlfriend, no.
You must have a little girlfriend, man. So man, tell the woman, man.
One good girl, me and her do IT class together. I tell her something like her, but she come around now and then and talk and we just chit chat and laugh some my time, you know. Then walk, or park and take taxi. But like I still, but not really find the time.
Girlfriend, yeah, I feel extra special. So what's your name?
I really find it. She named Sabrina.
Oh, that's a nice name. I want to give you a little surprise for her. I don't mind telling you that one could girl you like, you know. I get you one nice little set for you and little something. I go feed it and come back.
Yo, move. Where money then?
Which money? We have no money.
Where
Which money?
Money just come from foreign, so you have to have money. Where money?
I don't have no money. Which money?
Where money?
Where your money, father?
Where your son now?
No, not kidding. Not kidding. I go feed money.
Yo, you like share money.
Yo, go on now.
You like mother go for money, man. Relax. Mother go for money. She have go for money.
Where money there?
She have money.
Mama, where money? I'll put the money now. Next time, I need a idea to get the ear you. Mine, yeah. You don't know the money now. Make me a time to wait.
Not kill him.
Take up the gun now. Yeah, man. Like, yeah, give me put how about I'm going to contract so now? Even the man coming in and out there, good. You see that? No. And soon they'll shake in the head again.
Babes, call the police. Just call the police. We can't help him now. Call the police. The man the police that did that. Have you gone this time?
Yeah, you can't come.
Just call the police.
Boy, don't tap in the head, boy, and shot me.
Just call the police.
Oh.
And you're trade and I'm going to on fire. Well, you just don't watch a movie there and watch a vlog here. You know what I mean? Watch a vlog here to show you how far we're there in the JAMMIWOOD studio because we fight a war. You know what I mean? Just watch a piece of vlog here number go provided in the vlog, so you can take it from there. So me have a TikTok page I want to follow to who in a TikTok world, you can follow it. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So burn it down to the ground. Enough respect all the time, man. One love. Man, glory be to the Most High. You know? We're there up on the journey. We know say we now wonder how far the studio reach, but we've been putting in a lot of work from that time till this time. Now everybody a shooter now, so Toby I got out of there now go deal with something now, you know? Blessed. Yeah man, so we are going on the flat there. Boy, Papa up at me. Burn it down! Yeah man, so we are going to the studio, making you can see how far there. Because we're not joking, we can't put in the work. You know what I mean? So talking alone no do it. Talk is cheap. Yeah. But we have to produce movie every day. We keep on entertain. So that going now over with the half really. So we have finished up the place already. You know what I mean? So donation is still needed. You know what I mean? Plus me have plan to give back. You know what I mean? Out of not what I have, I give back something. You know what I mean? Because this is what we do. We're Jamaican. I don't feel good if I can't give back something. You know what I mean? A long time I don't give back something. Then give you one laptop for a long time. But no, I don't like it. You know what I mean? Because when I look on Mr. Beast and now, they go to Africa. But I can't compare myself with Mr. Beast because them on the channel I get millions of views. You know what I mean? Millions of subscribers. The daily can get 100k in Jamaica, you know what I mean? No matter how hard they work and how hard they try, we still a fight the war. Still, we not give up and say, right, still a fight it. We want to go the one at a time then. But me I say, alright, me about now, I want to start a thing when me JAMMIWOOD fun and game. Because me give back gifts to people and they call it and monetary and appliance, phone, etc. You know, we have 1 or 2 people, you know, we back me. You know what I mean? Then we have things that them can donate. They can donate a phone, donate anything we can donate, we can give it to somebody. You know what I mean? Differently, and what we can buy, we buy it at one packet same way. You know what I mean? Because we not do it for the hype, we do it for real. You know what I mean? Yeah, so that is it. So the more people burn it down, bless up. The more subscribers we get and the more views and the more participation of people, YouTube go recommend it to more people. You know what I mean? So we need a first push after. When the movie just come out, we want everybody to watch it from the beginning. You know what I mean? That means they get one good jump off, then YouTube I work with the AI system. So from the start off good, then go push it. You know what I mean? So that is it. So we are putting some work, man. So I go to one action movie, you know what I mean? Action movie, you know? We don't want the viral name them. We are in the place right now, you know? Go get them ready. You know what I mean? Look out for that movie there. It'll drop early in the week, yeah. By about Thursday, hopefully. We can Thursday, Friday. No, we'll drop it Sunday. Sunday matinee, look out for that movie there. You know what I mean? Look out for that movie there. Something go on. Yeah, man. That is it. So, we are going to a place, man. This is Red Ground. We are road through Red Ground. While we are driving through, man, to see the place we are going. Show them the road, mama. We are a video personnel to them. We'll put it on the road. That's all. Yeah, see where I go on the front there. Don't mind make it touch it too much. Yeah. Don't make it slide. The top piece can come out, you know. And the screw on the pan. That's on? Can come out. Yeah, man, this is a Red Ground. Who don't know? This is Red Ground going back into the town. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so. You have some bakers in the back in the days, at the pastry. You know what I mean? And foundation, bike shop there, so collect bar, the pan and stretch the same way, you know what I mean? Have to go down into the town, you know what I mean? From park down as but then turn in one shipping compartment and now you have a good look at kitchen up one side up on the hillside so you know what I mean, because them put some stingfish and something, you know what I mean. They have Whitehall, the road goes straight down so, but I road the bad. And the people them who live down there park them care up on the good side, so you know, so anybody go down there have to go up on the wrong side, on the bad side. You know what I mean? Life of Jamaica, you know what I mean? We try to make it difficult for others, you know what I mean? So we are the night. I wanna feel it, body I try to feel it. Yeah man, before we just pass by the bike then, or by taxi, you know could have seen me in a movie all the while, Red Man, for a long time, foundation. So I'm a friend, I'm pregnant again. Oh yeah me, mama, do it again! Cock up a foot, do it again, cock up a foot again, ma! Yeah man, so them do it, them be fruitful and multiply, you know what I mean? You see no woman no cry. Yes, Cha! Going in! Going in! Yeah, man. Soup here are going. Right. Right, that is it. Road, a tight road, or police up on the road. Put on a seatbelt. Put on a seatbelt, you hear me? Because when the police has then see me, they think me have money. And some of them don't know me, if you know me, because I have a good for the country, you know what I mean? They try gainful employment and all these things. You know what I mean? We don't do no crime and violence. But when you don't do violence, nobody know, you know, make no noise until they have the crime and violence, you good? I'll look on the next side. So, take and go do what you do, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so it's a journey we all have to go through, you know what I mean? Show them the road again. The things are going on the street just start. Yeah man. They might build a park over here, so show them the park. They might build a park over there so I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. You know? When I think a park, they might put the people them who there over the next park over there. You know what I mean? But I don't understand it though. Don't understand it. Then go put them over there. And I think I don't know what they go do then shop where they take much years and bill. But I think them go build some shop for rent them. So it's a perfect way of holding down your nation. You know what I mean? Babylon has find a way if him deal with us that way then ensure that we're not going nowhere in our life. Because if somebody own their shop already and then they go take them out of the shop where they own and put them in a one rent shop, that means you're making a step backward. You know what I mean? So you don't have to make him step backward. Babylon push you there and ensure that you can do it. So the Chinese and the different nations them can buy out the place. And who rich go richer and who poor go poorer. But who bad go badder and who did sad go sadder. So we have to wake up. And who wise go wiser and who fool go fooler. You know what I mean? So it's just a journey. So we are carrying up on the journey from where we shoot some of the time to where we're going to shoot some of the time again. But it's a war we are fight, man. It's a war we are fight. We don't have no choice more than fight it. You know what I mean? So this is where we are when it comes down to what we want to really do. We want to have our own land and thing. So we can free her in terms of how we amount of bills have to pay on a monthly. So if we have less bills to pay, whatever I make, more people that get more money. The money that more feasible, we that find more people interested in the acting thing, because the acting thing they're on a developing stage. Movie thing in Jamaica is on a developing stage. You know, they know yet. So it's a war. So you know what I mean? Some people that we know say we channel exists. So as we come up and now, the reason why I put on the veranda and from the shop is to put the sign on top of it. Yeah man, so we go out there. We're parking in shady. So reach out now. This is JAMMIWOOD studio in the making. You know what I mean? So we have to just go and put in the work. So we're gonna go over there now. Follow it. Like me up on the construction site, you know, not true. Yeah, man.
Take it, take it.
So, to the top of it, we go and put the sign up there, JAMMIWOOD. That means you know you are parked on the road, you can see the big old sign up there. You know what I mean? Live and direct. So we put this one work out after them paint you up. Come inside, access granted. Welcome to JAMMIWOOD studio. You know what I mean? Welcome. So this is a party at the shop. You know what I mean? So do some painting already. Just put in the glass and that come to for some paint on the grill. Close up the top, close over the top there. And that good. We paint the wall already. You know? We paint up here so the things can start packing for it. Swing on when I do them already. Have the next floor to swing on. You know what I mean? So carry on to the next side. We get 1 and 2 donation. Give thanks to the people that will donate. Again, I say give thanks to all the people that will donate. Give thanks to the one that will promise and not donate yet. Because I know some still go try and do something. You know what I mean? Never too late to show her here. So she like when somebody can come around, come to our one. So yes and no is the kitchen. So the sink put in already. Somebody some fixtures see there. Some fixtures by feet already. Paint by alright now. So this is a part of the kitchen part. Now step over yes and no. Here so we have the prison. You know what I mean? So that's prison. See there? You're under arrest. You have all right to remain silent. Mama, come check me regular. You know his style. Yeah man, so this is it. We're going to put we want a bunk bed over here so now for the prisoner. When the prisoner them there, they have a bunk bed. Because, you know, you would paint this and see them, but I guess you never have enough light. In a capture every part.
Enough primer.
In a primer. You have enough primer?
No, primer too little bit.
When you try to show so sit the pan.
Primer in there, little bit in there.
Yeah, we can put in a pan.
Yeah.
So them part of it though.
I that me they ask me if enough mix.
Yeah man, see that so. Just have the catch and this a sketch back and then we go paint in the right colour. You know what I mean? So you have to go to the kitchen area and so we have to finish off and one door for us so the shop lock off from the kitchen and then the prison lock off. When I turn so you're in prison, when I turn so you're in so it's a studio where we can shoot multiple different things. Then we have a bedroom in here for now. And then so we go to the bedroom to shoot too. Here we have the 1 and 2 for painting in the meantime. We have paint up here. Let's see them put some paint on our wall there. Yeah man, look good. Yeah man, so some look touching up for one man. So we are doing the best we can do. We look what we have. You know what I mean? We're fighting a war. We say it again. Because we don't want to place for bad. I say bad, I look out for bad. But where is the good looking out for the good? We need some more. The world full of much good people. For when you have something good, you now get the support. You understand me? The world full of too much good people. For when you have something good, you now get good back it that it is. You know what I mean? So they are going to hold it off. Yeah? So, like I said, you know, the finish paint up so we can start shoot. See, we're going to clean out it soon and very soon. You know what I mean? And then we can start operational and paint the ceiling. But the funds is what holding up the time though. The funds is what holding it up. So if you're a person who want to donate, feel free. You know what I mean? Feel free to do so. Contact the number up on the screen. Let's get it rolling. Right? Because we are trying to do the best we can do. I don't know if you enjoy the movie them and the more places we have to shoot is a better movie. We have to try to get some props in the meantime. We get this, we get that. You know what I mean? We have to do what we can do with what we have. Yeah man, so big up all the people them where send them donation already. Plenty of them don't want the name call. But if anybody will send a donation already would like your name to call, you can say so. Right? It's easy. And the thing we're going to create a little place inside of here where we go contract them the name them and the people them are the family of the JAMMIWOOD family. So when you call in there, right? So more start with some big up and then something some go can write on the name. So right, you know where you go. So we have like a board somewhere in the yard there. When time you come visit JAMMIWOOD, you can write on it. So what's here, you know what I mean? Yeah man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. So, without no further delay, yeah man, thank you for watching, thank you for everything, thank you for the support. We are look back out, you know, so again, that's it, we are doing it, the place still not done yet, still not done yet, still not done yet, but we are trying. You know what I mean? First, when the house was empty, there was nothing here, and we put in a lot of work, and now we're here. The bathroom, we finished it, the bathroom around here, so because people want to come beard and use the toilet, we have to have that. You know what I mean? So, it's a work in the progress, we have to fight a war, you know what I mean? But it take what it take and go do what you do. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Alright, burn it up.